This is a 2014 Subaru Outback, one owner, 54,000 miles. In wonderful condition. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing, no scratches. In very, very good condition. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Charcoal cloth interior is in great condition. All weather floor mats. 54,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, all-wheel drive. The seats have no rips or stains or wear marks in them. So this is a 2014 Subaru Outback, one owner with 54,000 miles in absolutely wonderful condition.